A short while ago, my colleague Preeti Chaudhary spoke to Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Shiv Sena, and she asked her this question. The Shiv Sena MP, Nilesh Rane has named Aditya Thackeray. What is your reaction to this explosive charge? Listen to what Priyanka Chaturvedi said then.
I do not want to even comment on what both father and son have been going on commenting non-stop, using the Bharatiya Janata Party platform to spread all kinds of rumors, stories, narratives. I would not want to even dignify them with a comment.
We also asked her whether the statement was to be seen as the statement of a BJP spokesperson or a statement taken in isolation.
That just goes to show desperate levels the BJP can fall down to use their bitter and I would say thrown out people of the Shiv Sena to put out an attack on people of Shiv Sena. That just goes to show the level of politics that they can stoop down to attack their opposition. This is the same political party which during the COVID, when Maharashtra was battling COVID, they were busy organizing protest marches. This is a political party which has been abysmal as an opposition party, refuses to live up to the expectations of the people of the state, whether it is their members of parliament, whether it is their elected members in the legislative assembly. They can continue to play around and they can continue to throw muck around. Their street side politics can continue. We shall not indulge in it. And because we would want to get to the truth of what led to Sushant Singh's death and whatever caused it.
The final question we asked was, will Aditya Thackeray take legal action now against the Ranes? Listen in.
I do not know. I haven't heard his statement, so I wouldn't want to comment on something that would be our next course of action. However, if you would see by what we have been doing and how we've been conducting ourselves despite all the muck being thrown at us, every single day, Bharatiya Janata Party and its leaders stand exposed for what they stand for their mindset. For example, let me give you, in a press conference from the Bharatiya Janata Party platform, Mr. Rane, the father, made such accusations about Disha Salian, spoke about internal body injuries, spoke about vaginal injuries. Disha Salian's father has put out a letter requesting people to stop speculating on their daughter and give her the dignity that they are seeking. Yet they continue to throw muck. Yet they continue to pull out some narrative. At least in your quest for power, your hunger for power, your low-life politics, have some decorum of respect for a girl who's lost.
Okay, that was Priyanka Chaturvedi a short while ago.